We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I would like to answer the question that is, what happens when you reset your iPhone? So if you would like to factory reset your iPhone, it will result in, well, your device getting back to its factory default state. And what I mean by that is all settings, all configurations, all properties that you have customized throughout your use of the system will be reset to their factory or box default values. You will also lose, or well, not necessarily lose, but all the information, data, files, media, photos, videos, everything that is stored on the internal storage of your iPhone will be also erased. So beforehand, if you have some settings or some information that you would like to keep and, well, you do not want to lose, back it up beforehand. You can do that into the iCloud, and, well, if you are afraid that something, or if you do not want to lose some certain information or certain data on your iPhone, make sure to save it beforehand. Now, in order to initialize the procedure, you'll need to go into Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, erase all content and settings, then review all those things here, and, well, continue with this procedure here. And, well, as far as resetting an iPhone goes, that will be more or less it. I think I've covered more or less everything. So key points is that everything, all settings, everything, literally every single setting in your phone will be restored to its default factory state, and all the data and information, media that is stored on the iPhone's internal storage will be erased as well. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.